Hello everyone, this is Alvin from Shining 3D. Today I will introduce you the OptimScan 5M Plus. It's a high-precision 3D inspection system with astonishing accuracy up to 5 micro and great detail performance. It will be a suitable choice for metrology inspection and reverse engineering. In this video, let's dive into the unboxing and installing of this magnificent 3D scanner. First, we will have the scanner head, equipped with 3 sets of high-resolution optical and camera lenses, offering 3 scanning ranges, allowing you to capture objects of various sizes effortlessly, with high detail and smooth data quality. Corresponding to the different scanning ranges, we provide 3 different calibration boards to enable precise calibration and guaranteeing consistent accuracy across all your scans. Next to the scanner head, we have the certificate, the power adapter and power cable. The adapter output 24 volts and 3.75 amperes. Make sure you are using the right one. Also, you will find the data cable and a USB 3.0 hub, ensuring a smooth scanning experience. To enhance your scanning experience, we have included 3 sizes of markers: 6mm, 3mm, and 1mm, to provide the accurate alignment of different sizes of objects. Maintaining the scanner is effortless with the cleaning cloth and the flannel cloth. The cleaning clothes are for cleaning the optical filters of the lenses. Do not wipe the inside of the lenses. The black flannel cloth is for preventing scratches on the calibration board. In this plastic case, we have the dongle and USB flash drive. For the dongle, you will need this to run software, and for the flash drive, you can find the software and user manual in it. For a stable scanning process, we will include a sturdy tripod and a tripod head. You can set up the scanner on tripod securely and ready to scan with confidence. These are all parts included in the package. Next, let's jump to the installation part. First of all, open the tripod and tighten these knobs. Take out the screw guard on top. Align the screw to the hole on the bottom of the head and screw it in and install the long control bar for the head. The 3 bars are to adjust the angle of the tripod head, and this handle is to adjust the height of the tripod head. Then select an appropriate set of optical and camera lens. Install them on scanner head. Optical lens in the middle and the camera lenses on the side. Fix the scanner head on the tripod by tightening the 2 screws on the tripod head. Next, connect the data cable between the scanner and the computer, as well as the power cable and power adapter. Insert dongle, and use on and off button to start device. Now the scanner is ready to embark your scanning journey. These are all for this video. Please follow our YouTube channel for more videos about our powerful OptimScan 5M Plus. Thanks for watching.